Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Siti Sumaya and today I'm excited to share with you our project Terpene Decoded, exploring the chemistry and functions of nature's aromatic molecules. This ebook is designed to make chemistry not only easier to understand but also more engaging and interactive. Allow me to introduce the dedicated team behind this work. Our study research team consists of Muhammad Yusri bin Muhammad Yazid, Nurul Najwa Akila binti Ahmad Jais, and Siti Sumaya binti Muhammad Marziti. This work was made possible under the expert guidance supervision of our lecturers and advisors, Technologist Chemist Dr. Wan Zuraida Wan Muhammad Zain, Dr. Nur Hatini Dul Haji, and Dr. Nur Atika Zaharulil. Together, our team combined expertise in chemistry, curriculum design, and digital learning tools to develop this interactive study material. However, learning chemistry from traditional textbooks can be challenging. Diagrams are fixed, formulas are static, and complex concepts are hard to visualize. That's why our ebook introduced originality through visual aids, chemical structures, and interactive features. Instead of just reading, learners can see terpene classifications, explore their structure, and understand their roles in real life. We also conduct a survey, and the results were very encouraging. 90% of respondents agree that learning about natural compounds like terpenes is important, and many show strong interest in our ebook format. This proves that combining chemistry with interactive learning tools really resonates with students and researchers. It increases motivation, improves health literacy, and connect science with everyday life. Moving on to our core innovation, let us introduce our product titled Terpenes Decoded, exploring the chemistry and functions of nature's aromatic molecules. This ebook serves as a comprehensive learning foundation and curriculum overview. Terpenes are often considered challenging due to their complex chemical structures and diverse natural functions. To address this, we designed this ebook as an accessible digital resource. As you can see on the slide, readers can instantly access the full publication by simply scanning the QR code or using the direct drive link, making modern chemical education available right at their fingertips. Finally, let's look at how readers interact with our product and the impact it has on their learning experience. Our testing and evaluation revealed that our target audience, chemistry students and educators, are highly receptive to integrating this ebook into their regular study routine. What makes this ebook uniquely effective are its integrated interactive elements. By scanning embedded QR codes throughout the chapters, readers unlock dynamic 3D visual aids directly on their device. As demonstrated in the video clip, being able to rotate and interact with 3D molecular models drastically improves spatial understanding of complex molecules, boosts student motivation, and transforms passive reading into an active, engaging learning experience. What makes our ebook unique is the combination of visual aids, mini games, and fun facts. Visual aids simplify the terpene concept with diagrams, charts, and illustrations. Mini games like word searches, crosswords, and quick quizzes transform study into an engaging activity, encouraging active recall instead of passive reading. Fun facts and myth or fact sections make science memorable, showing quirky details like why freshly cut grass smells the way it does. This blend of education and interactivity motivates learners and keeps them curious. These are the overview of the contents of our ebooks. I would also like to highlight the recognition of our team and mentors have received through various innovation competitions and academic events. These awards reflect the creativity, dedication, and excellence that went into projects like ours, and they serve as proof that interactive approaches to chemistry education are valued both locally and internationally. In conclusion, Terpene Decoded is more than just an ebook. It's a bridge between complex chemistry and practical understanding, blending visual aids, daily life examples, and interactive games. By making learning fun and accessible, we hope this ebook will inspire more students to explore the fascinating world of chemistry. Thank you.